Welcome back to our vlog. During our last episode, Let's Clarify, we introduced the primary clarifiers and discussed how sludge settles to the bottom and is removed from the treatment process. Once the sludge settles to the bottom, it is then pumped out, or in wastewater terms, wasted out, and sent underground to our blue solids holding tanks seen here. You can also see the brown piping, the color indicator for sludge, that is connected to the blue solids holding tanks. The holding tank contains a mixer that keeps the sludge fresh until it is pumped over to the centrifuges inside the solids building to be dewatered and processed into cake. Today we are going to demonstrate how sludge is turned from liquid into dry cake. Welcome to the solids building, home of 2 GEA centrifuges. Immediately to your right, you see the brown pipe gallery where the sludge feeds into the centrifuges from the sludge holding tanks. Next, you will see the polymer feed pumps and polymer-filled totes just behind. Polymer is used as a flocculant and is added to the liquid stage inside the centrifuge for efficient dewatering. Dewatering via centrifuge is the removal of water from solid material. You can see here the water removed is being drained out of the centrifuge. This is called centrate. Centrifugal thickening and dewatering of sewage sludge is a high-speed process that uses the force from rapid rotation of a cylindrical bowl to separate wastewater solids from liquid to produce a non-liquid material referred to as cake, seen here. One of the methods to ensure centrifuges are running efficiently is to sample and analyze the centrate suspended solids to determine how much solid material is being removed. The centrate water quality should have low suspended solid concentrations between 300 and 1,000 milligrams per liter. Centrate from dewatering sludge via centrifuge is returned to the head of the treatment plant. Another method to ensure centrifuge efficiency is to analyze the feed, or liquid sludge, total solids before entering the centrifuge. The quality of the feed varies day to day and allows us to make operational changes if necessary to ensure the driest cake production. Post-production, we analyze the dry cake to determine the percent dryness. We also conduct a simple paint filter test to visually ensure the cake is not wet or dripping before we send to the landfill. If the cake is wet, the landfill will not accept it. In addition to lab analysis, it is important for our operations staff to take daily readings, record the torque output, bowl speed, sludge feed rate, polymer feed rate, polymer usage, and centrifuge runtimes. We operate in 3 shifts, and it is important to communicate information and new operational changes when necessary. The centrifuge runs almost 24/7, and it is vital to monitor all equipment consistently. The dry cake output by the centrifuges is moved via screw conveyors over the trailer and dropped from a chute. We monitor the cake mounds created inside the trailer to ensure we do not overfill. Once a trailer is filled, centrifuge operations is temporarily shut down, the filled trailer is taken to the landfill, and a new trailer is put in its place. We then make any final adjustments and continue our centrifuge operations as normal. We always make sure to close the bay door once we're done to control odors during a hot summer day. Thank you for joining us for episode 4 on cake production. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you next time.